Yes everyone, good morning. So guys, hope it is loud and clear to all. If yes, then just let me know in the chat box and we can start with the class. Yes everybody, those who are sitting online, guys, hope it is loud and clear to all. Okay. Yes everyone, so till now what we have finished is time and work, right? And today we have the continuation of that topic, which is pipes and cistern, right? But before that, yes, this is the book that we are going to follow in this in these classes. This is the test series, and these are the Telegram channels and group for the regular updates and discussions. And yes, these are some recorded programs, right? Guys, let's talk about today's topic, pipes and cistern. Pipes and cistern is actually the continuation of time and work. What we have studied in time and work and how this topic is different than time and work topic. So guys, here there is a concept of negative work also, right? Try to understand what negative work is. Suppose that there is a water tank, right? And obviously in water tank there can be two types of tap or two types of pipes. One can be inlet pipe which is filling water inside it, and one can be leak also from which the water is going out, right? So leak will be considered as the negative work, right? And inlet pipe will be considered as the positive work. Guys, is it clear, right? So here we have the concept of negative work also. And yes, how you will going to tackle that negative work. So obviously the efficiency will be represented with the minus sign. Clear guys? Huh? So let's take some examples. So this is the first question. The first question says one tap A can fill the tank in 36 hours and another in 45 hours. Okay, if both the pipes are operating simultaneously, how much time they will take to fill the tank? So this is a simple question, right? This you can solve just by taking the LCM. Both are inlet, so this is 36 hours and this is 45 hours, right? What is the LCM? LCM is 180. LCM is 180. Fine. So this is 5 and this is 4. So both are working simultaneously. So this is 180 divided by 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer is 20 hours. Everyone fine now, right? So this was a very simple question, right? And related to the previous topic also. Okay, fine. All right. Now let's talk about some other questions where we have the concept of negative work also, where some leak is also there, right? Okay. So friends, now the next question is, just read that question first. Just read that question guys. The question is saying two pipes can fill a tank in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively, while a third pipe empties the full tank in 20 hours. If all the three pipes operate simultaneously, in how much time will the tank be filled? Alright, guys, just look at the question. Here there are three types of pipes, A, B and C, correct? So A is filling the tank in 10 hours. B is also filling the tank but in 12 hours, while C is leak, right? Because C is emptying the full tank in 20 hours. Everyone fine now? The data is clear to you? Okay. Here, what will be the LCM? The LCM is 60. Okay, and now this time this 60 will be actually the total capacity of the tank. Earlier we used to consider this 60 as the total work. So here 60 is the total capacity of the tank. It may be 60 liter or it's 60 units, right? Okay. Now this is what? This is 6, this is 5, and now what is this guys? This is minus 3. Why? Because this is leak. So leak's work will be preceded with the minus sign because this work is negative work. Guys, it is clear? Now the question is saying when all the three operate simultaneously. So everybody, A plus B plus C. So put their values. This is 6 plus 5 and minus 3. 6 plus 5 minus 3. So this is 8. Alright. Now question is saying when all of them operate simultaneously, then in what time the tank will be filled? So what is the answer? The answer is 60 by 8. So guys, both the numbers are divisible by 4. So this is 15 by 2 or 7.5. Everybody clear? 7.5 hours. Fine guys? Okay. Please note it down. Yeah. Yes, online students, guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Those who are sitting online, please just let me know if you are there. Yes, everybody, those who are sitting online. All right, okay. All right, fine. So guys, is it clear now? Shall we move to the next question? Vishal, it's fine. Sharing? All right. After that, the next question says, a cistern has two taps which fill it in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. A cistern has two taps which fill it in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. All right. After that, while there is also a waste pipe in the cistern, if all the three are opened, there is also a waste pipe. If all the three are opened, the empty cistern is full in 20 minutes. Guys, just look at the data. All right. Here only A is filling the tank. Here only B is filling the tank. Here all A, B, C are filling the tank together. Clear? Okay. What is the LCM? 60. This is 5. This is 4. And this is what? 3. Guys, here the tank is getting full. That's why we have considered this as plus 3. Correct? Because the positive work is happening over here. The tank is getting full. Right. Now, if you put the value of A, B and C, everyone, I am just putting the value here. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4, C we don't know, but the sum is coming as 3. Yes or no guys? A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4 and A plus B plus C is equal to 3. Correct? Everybody fine? So, here this is 9 plus C is equal to 3, then C is equal to what? C is equal to minus 6. Guys, minus means nothing but the leak. This minus is what? Minus is representing that the C is the leak pipe, which is taking out, water is going out from this. Correct everyone? After that, the question is saying, in what time the waste pipe take to empty the full cistern? What is the answer? 10. So 60 by 6, the answer is 10 minutes. Everybody fine? Clear? Alright, please note it down. Okay. Any doubt friends? Any confusion? Any query? Anyone? No? ठीक है? यादव जी? सब ठीक है? Okay, चलिए. Ayan, it's fine? Alright. Okay. And online students? Guys, Vishnu and Donna. Everyone fine now? Okay, so let's move to the next question. Guys, now you please try this question. Almost the similar data. You please try to solve this question and tell me the answer. Please try. Yes. Yes, everybody. Yes, everybody. Fine. हो गया. What's the answer? 100. Okay. All of you got the answer? Vaishali, what's your answer? Okay. Still trying? All right. Yadav ji, what's the answer? 20 आ रहे हैं. Oh. Yes. हाँ? पांडे जी, आपका क्या आ रहा है? अभी आया नहीं, आ रहा है. अच्छा, ठीक है. Ayan, what's your answer? 100. All right. Okay, guys, just check. Two pipes A and B can separately fill the cistern in 60 minutes and 75 minutes respectively. Right. And third is the leak. If all the three operate simultaneously, then the cistern is full in 50 minutes. Guys, so A plus B plus C, right? A plus B plus C is equal to 50 minutes. What is the LCM? 300. All right. So this is what? This is 5, this is 4, and this is what? This is 6. So all of you, I'm just putting the value here itself, like as I have done in the last question. So this is 5 plus 4 plus C is equal to 6. Then C is equal to minus 3, right? Then this is 300 divided by 3. This is 100 minutes. All right?
मेरा -3 तक आ गया था, इसके आगे कैसे समझ?
इसके आगे बस डिवाइड करना था. लास्ट क्वेश्चन आप देख लेते.
मैंने ना वो कर दिया 60 को 75 को 50 को कट करके स्मॉल कर दिया.
अच्छा, अच्छा. ठीक है, अभी क्लियर है? ओके. ऑल राइट. सो यस, Pradhan is Kamal, right? Okay. So Rama Prabhakaran, Vishnu, Pradhan, your answers are right. Okay, guys. All right. So this is 300 divided by 3, everyone. So this is 300 divided by 3, which is 100 minutes. So leak pipe, I mean the leak is taking 100 minutes to empty the full cistern. Clear, everybody? Huh? All right. Now let's move to the next question, guys. Everyone, I don't want you to solve this question. I want you to think about this question. Put down your pens, guys. Everyone, just put down your pens and read this question and try to tell me the answer just by the logical thinking. Okay? Just read this question and try to tell me the answer just by the logical thinking. I don't want you to solve this question with paper and pen. Just read this question and try to tell me the answer. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Okay, so Sai Kumar is saying, sir, I love this session. I'm from Kanyakumari. Okay. Yes, everyone. Thank you, Sai. Thank you. Yes. So, guys, yes. Can you tell me the logical approach, thinking-based approach for this question? Yes. Yes, all of you. Ayan. Yes.
96/7.
अरे नहीं वो सब नहीं, लॉजिकल अप्रोच बताइए, वो तो हमारा प्रोसेस हो गया, राइट? मुझे वो सब नहीं जानना है. Just tell me the logical approach. While reading the question, what you can think logically. By the way, what is the story of the question? Everyone, who will explain me the story of the question? What the question is asking? I mean, what is the story? Vaishali, what is the story in the question? Yeah.
Two pipes.
Two pipes are there. Okay. Huh?
In 21-32 minutes.
Okay, two pipes are filling the tank in 24 minutes and 32 minutes respectively. All right. Okay.
The question is asking that if we are open simultaneously,
Okay.
in how much time B should be closed?
Huh?
I'm reading the question.
All right, guys, the story is there are two taps which are attached to a tank, right? First tap is filling the tank in kitna diyo? 24 minutes, and second one is filling the tank in 32 minutes, right? And both are opened simultaneously, and after some times B was closed, and in 18 minutes the tank got filled. ये लिखा हुआ है.
सर पहले इसमें ये ऐसा कर सकते हैं मतलब
एक मिनट पहले मुझे बताइए जो मैं कह रहा हूँ. स्टोरी यही है क्वेश्चन की, स्टोरी यही है, राइट? आप सोचिए गाइस कि एक टैप ए है, एक टैप बी है. टैप ए भरता है उसको 24 मिनट में, टैप बी भरता है 32 मिनट में, राइट? बोथ आर ओपनड साइमल्टेनियसली एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम्स बी वाज क्लोज्ड एंड द टैंक गॉट फुल इन 18 मिनट्स. द क्वेश्चन इज आफ्टर व्हाट टाइम द टैप बी वाज क्लोज्ड. यही है ना क्वेश्चन गाइस, राइट? सो नाउ जस्ट थिंक ऑन इट एवरीवन. Tap B was closed after some time. Just listen to me carefully, right? Tap B was closed after some time. That is okay. But what about A? A was continuously working. A was continuously working from starting to end. And what is the total time? 18 minutes. So A was continuously working for 18 minutes. Correct? So guys, if I talk about A can fill the total tank in 24 minutes. So in 18 minutes, it will fill 3/4 part of the tank. Yes or no? Now what is left? 1/4. 1/4 will be filled by B, and B total time taken, is 32 minutes. So for 1/4, it will take 8 minutes. So for 8 minutes only, B was working.
सर इसको ऐसे कैसे कर सकते थे कि मतलब
पहले ये बताइए, ये समझ आया कि नहीं
हाँ
आया?
ये समझ में आ गया.
Everyone in the class. Clear? Any doubt? Akram, I think you have some doubt. It's clear.
सर
Pandey जी.
कर सकते हैं ना कि मतलब 24 32 का एलसीएम ले लें 96
नहीं, वो तो हम करेंगे, वो करेंगे. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ बिना लिखे इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे किया जाए, राइट? वो हम करेंगे, उस पर आएंगे अभी, राइट? उसके लिए मैंने मना नहीं किया आपको, राइट? वो तो करेंगे ही. Yes, everybody, it is clear. Just by reading the question, you can solve the question, guys. Right? मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ कि एग्जामिनेशन में ना क्वेश्चन पढ़ के सबसे पहले आपका दिमाग चलना चाहिए कि इस क्वेश्चन पे क्या किया जाए, राइट? अगर बिना कुछ लिखे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाता है तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस ऑफ योर कि क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करिए, आंसर करिए, निकलिए बाहर उससे, राइट? Yes, everybody. Okay. Guys, is it clear now? Now, let me solve this question with the process. ठीक है? हो गया? Okay. Now friends, let me solve this question with the mathematical process that we use in these type of questions. Right? A, B. This is what? This is 24. This is 32. LCM is 96. This is 4. This is 3. So 4 plus 3. Right? They were started together. Right? Achha, just wait. A was working for what time? A was working for 18 minutes. All 18 minutes, right? So A will be filling 72 units. What is left? Yes, 96 minus 72, which is 24 units, is still left. And now B will be filling 24 units in what time? So this is in 8 minutes, guys. Right? So B was working for 8 minutes, everybody. Clear, guys? Right? So this is the normal process. Pandey, right? You were asking this. Huh? So this is the normal method. Huh? Okay. Guys, is it fine now? Any doubt? Any confusion? No? But before that, try to solve this question with thinking. Right? ये तो हो ही जाएगा. Right? Any doubt, guys? No? Okay. After that, let's move to the next question, friends. Shall we move, guys? No? Vimi, are you done? No? Acha, kar लीजिए. Done? Okay, चलिए. इसके बाद देखिए. Next question. All of you, just read this. Question says, a leak in the bottom of the tank can empty the full tank in 8 hours. An inlet pipe fills the water at the rate of 6 liters per minute. When the tank is full, the inlet is opened. And due to the leak, the tank is empty in 12 hours. How many liters does the cistern hold? Right here, the capacity of the tank has been asked. And this is a very exam material question, guys. This type of question may be asked. Right? This is a very exam material question. Right? Everybody, just think about this question. What is happening here? Question is saying a leak in the bottom can empty the full cistern in 8 hours. When the tank was full, inlet was opened. Tank is completely full. Inlet was open. But due to leak, so inlet and leak both were working simultaneously when the tank was full. Right? Still, the tank got empty in what time? In what time? In 12 hours. Right? And one more information is given about the inlet, that it is filling water at the rate of 6 liters per minute. The question is, what is the capacity of the cistern? The question is clear to all of you? Right? So try to think about the question first. Okay? Alright? Now everybody just think on it. A leak in the bottom, leak can empty the tank in what time? 8 hours. Leak plus inlet, when both are working, then still then also the tank is getting empty. In what time? 12 hours. So guys, here in both the situation, the water is going out from the tank. It means both of them are negative work. Clear? So what is the LCM? LCM is 24. So this is minus 3 and this is what? Minus 2. Is it clear, everybody? Right? So leak is minus 3 and leak plus inlet is minus 2. Guys, if you put the value of leak over here, you will get the value of inlet is what? Plus 1. Yes or no? Minus 3 will go there, that will become plus 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So leak is filling the water at the rate of 1 unit per hour. Clear, guys? Now, when only inlet. Guys, when only inlet is working, inlet is filling water in 24 hours. Why? Because it is filling water at the rate of 1 unit per hour. So when only inlet is working, not leak. When only inlet is working, inlet is filling the tank in 24 hours. Everybody, yes or no? When only inlet is working, inlet will be filling the tank in 24 hours. right? Now guys, inlet is filling the water at the rate of 6 liters per minute. So 24 hours, inlet is filling the tank in how many hours guys? 24 hours? Just convert these 24 hours to minutes. So in these many minutes it is filling the tank, and in each minute it is filling 6 liters. So in these many minutes it will be filling this into 6 liters, and that will be the capacity of the cistern, right? So capacity of the cistern is 24 into 60 into 6 liters, right? Guys, it is a very interesting number. 24 into 36 into 10 liter. Guys, clear? Now this is 24 into 36. 30 minus 6, 30 plus 6. Right? Always try to check when you are multiplying two numbers, try to check if both are even or both are odd. Then you can find their average. Let's say 18 into 20, guys. Right? Here both are even. What is the average of these two numbers? 19. So this is 19 minus 1 and this is 19 plus 1. Right? Okay? Alright, once again, another number. Let's say 23 into 17. What is their average? What is their average? 20. So guys, this is 20 plus 3 and this is 20 minus 3. Everyone, 20 square, I mean a square minus b square I am talking about, right? So this is 400 minus 9, so which is 391, right? You can solve it manually, guys. Okay, one more. Suppose that you have to multiply 95 into 105. What should I write? Matlab, I mean, can you tell me the calculation, not final answer?
100 minus 5, 100.
Okay, this is 100 square minus 5 square. 100 square is 10,000. 10,000 minus 25, which is 9975. I repeat, 10,000 minus 25, which is 9975. Guys, is it clear? Okay, so this is 9975. Now everyone, ये आपको एग्जाम में लिखना नहीं है. You just have to check the number and you just have to think about it, right? This is 30 minus 6, 30 plus 6. 30 square minus 6 square. I repeat, 30 plus 6, 30 minus 6. A plus B, A minus B. 30 square minus 6 square. Guys, what is 30 square? 900 minus 6 square. 36. 900 minus 36. That is 864. Right, everyone? So 864 and then 0. This is the answer. 8640 liters is the capacity of the tank. Yep, Akram.
But I did it in a different way.
Okay. You got the same answer?
Okay, 6
Alright, yeah, please tell me the approach.
6 liters I measured, and for like 60 minutes I have multiplied, then for 8 hours I have multiplied, then for 12 hours like I did it.
Uh-huh.
So I got the same one.
So what was the logic behind that?
I mean, the amount of water going and the amount of water coming.
Uh-huh.
So I have subtracted it from, so the capacity.
So,
of
but
water-
you should able to find that first, like that the inlet pipe is filling the water, I mean the full tank in 24 hours. You should find this first. I mean, ये तो निकालना पड़ेगा ना? That is the form, huh?
So instead of doing all this, why don't you just multiply
Huh, directly we can also multiply this, yeah, no problem in that. You will get the same answer, yeah.
24 into 16
24 into 16 to
to 6?
6. If you do this, you will get the same answer. 24 into 6 is 144. 144 into 6 will be 864. Right? Alright guys. Okay. Muskan Chaudhary is asking, sir, how much time should I dedicate to CSAT every day? See, Muskan, it is a very subjective question actually, right? I really don't know about your background. I really don't know about your preparation level. So that depends upon person to person, right? If a person is from IIT, right? If a person is engineer, so obviously very less time is required. But if a person who has from medical background, let's say who has left mathematics like 7-8 years back, right? If a person left mathematics 7-8 years back, and yes, these questions are actually making the person scared. So obviously you should give some more time and you should try to understand the questions first, right? Guys, rather than doing a lot of hard work, you have to do work smartly. You have to think about the questions. मैं आपको फिर से बोल देता हूँ, IAS officer is not required to be a mathematician, right? He must be a troubleshooter kind of guy. ये समझ लीजिए आप, right? So while reading the questions, you should thinking about the solutions, like how this question would be solved. And before solving the question, try to understand the question well, guys, right? That's why I always focus upon what this question is trying to ask. What is the story behind this question, right? So try to understand the question, guys. And let me tell you, friends, you are going to what? You are going to which service? You are going to public service. It is public service commission, right? So you are going to public service. And if you are talking some, some jargons in your language, right, then you will not able to communicate your thoughts. Let me tell you very frankly. So you will have to talk to people in their own language, right? For that you have to understand the things first, and then you can communicate in their language. Getting it, everyone? Right? It is really important, right? आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि आप अभी मैं ही आपके सामने अभी लाप्लास एंड फूरियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन शुरू कर दूं, तो लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और फूरियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, so it will be really difficult for us to to make a bridge, to create a bridge. बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. आप समझ पा रहे हैं बात को, राइट? और ऐसा होता है, बहुत सारे फैकल्टी पता नहीं क्या क्या बोलते रहते हैं, और मुझे ही कभी कभी नहीं समझ में आता है कि ये क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो स्टूडेंट्स को क्या समझ में आता होगा, आई रियली डोंट नो. Anyways, guys, is it fine now? Huh? Okay. All right. Okay. थोड़ा देर से समझ रहे हैं आप लोग, हाँ, लेकिन समझ रहे हैं.
कहते हैं कि ये सवाल आमतौर पे कोई एक प्रोग्राम में बीएससी में उससे होता है. आप लोग के लिए मैं बहुत सिंपल तरीके से करता हूँ.
पता नहीं, खैर मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं कहूँगा. Anyways, guys, is it fine now? अच्छा, after that, guys, just look at the question. Just try to understand the story first. Question is saying, two taps A and B can fill the tank in 12 and 15 minutes respectively. If both the taps are opened simultaneously and tap A is closed after 3 minutes. ये वाला question मुझे लगता है आप कर सकते हैं. This type of questions we have solved yesterday, right? Like both the workers are working for first 3 minutes together, and then A left, and then B is doing the entire work. In how much time he will complete the work, right? So this type of questions we have solved yesterday. Guys, करिए जरा एक बार इसको. Yes, everyone, try to solve this question. Yes, everyone. पॉइंट में आ रहा है. ओके, मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ. देखिए, A is like 12 minutes and B is what? 15 minutes, huh? And guys, what is the LCM? 60. So this is 5, 4. Huh? ठीक है, might be. So 5. A is working for 3 minutes, right? I mean both of them first 3 minutes. So this is 27 units. So guys, in first 3 minutes 27 units will be filled, correct? And after that what is left? 60 minus 27, which is 33 units left, right? And now only B is working. So 33 divided by 4, right? 33 divided by 4. So this is 8.25 or 8 1 by 4 hours, sorry, minutes, right? 8 1 by 4. Okay. Yeah. Yes, everybody. 8 1 by 4 is the right answer. Guys, is it fine now? Now? Vishali, any doubt? Clear? Everybody fine? Ayan? It's fine. पांडे जी आपका यही आंसर आ रहा था?
हाँ, मतलब 10.75.
10.75? अच्छा, मतलब आपने 3 ऐड कर दिया क्या? लेकिन 3 ऐड करने पे 11.25 हो जाएगा, लेकिन उससे 11.25 हो जाएगा. अगर टोटल टाइम, इफ दे हैव आस्क्ड द टोटल टाइम,
Total time
तो टोटल टाइम विल बी दिस प्लस 3.
3 minutes.
Yeah, that is 11 1 by 4. If they are asking the total time, right? Guys, is it clear now? Everyone fine? Shall we move? Women's fine? Okay. After that, guys, let's talk about this question. Everyone, just read it. Question is saying two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 15 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. Both the pipes are opened together, but after 4 minutes, A is turned off. What is the total time required? Guys, this time they are asking the total time. So, like, for the answer, you just have to this 4 to your answer, what you are getting here. Getting it, everyone? So, please solve this question and tell me the answer. Yes, everyone, tell me the answer, please. All of you. Solve this question and tell me the answer. Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone. Those who are sitting online, guys, what's the answer? Hmm?
14 2 by 3.
14 2 by 3?
10 to by 3.
10 2 by 3 plus 4. 14 2 by 3, yeah. Right? All of you, just look at this. A is filling in 15 minutes. B is filling in 20 minutes, right? So LCM is 60 again. So this is what? This is 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 into 4. This is 28. Right? What is left? 60 minus 28. What is left? 32. Right. Now friends, B is filling this. So 32 divided by 3, which is 10 2 by 3. Yeah. Minutes. So this is for the remaining tap. I mean remaining capacity. And then total time. Yeah. So 4 will be added to this. So for total time, this will be 14 2 by 3 minutes. Right, everyone, for total times, this will be the answer. Okay, that's good. Yes, all of you. Friends, it is clear now. Any doubt, anyone? Any confusion? No? Huh? 28. See, this is 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 into 4. 7 into 4 is 28. Right? So 28 unit will be filled in first 4 minutes. Right? After that, 32 units are still left. So they will be filled by B in next 10 2 by 3 minutes. Correct? And the question is saying what is the total time required? Guys, in these type of questions, read the question carefully. What has been asked, right? They may ask the total time also, or they may ask the remaining time. I mean remaining time के लिए what is the time required? What is the more time is required, right? Okay. Yes, all of you. आप इसको मुझे ऐसे ही बताइए जरा, orally. All of you, don't write anything. Just look at this question. Yup. Don't write anything. Just look at this question and try to tell me the answer. Yes. Just look at the question and tell me the answer. Don't write anything, guys. Yes, all of you. Just look at the question and tell the answer.
So 8.
What's the answer? What happened? This much time is required, kya? What happened? How? How?
hours.
Why 10? What happened? नहीं हो रहा है? हाँ? अच्छा ठीक है. Online students?
एक दो आंसर आ रहा है लेकिन
Okay. Kamal is saying that is 35. See guys, let me tell you. Question is saying what? Question is saying a tank is filled in 5 hours by 3 pipes ABC. That is okay. ठीक है. C is twice as fast as B and B is twice as fast as A. Right? Correct? How? Okay. Just tell me friends, A, B, C. Let's say the capacity of A is A. B will be what? 2A. C will be what? Twice of this. So this is 4A. So A, B, C when together are working, they will be equivalent to 7A. So 7A is filling the tank in 5 hours. So in what time A will be filling the tank? Right? So this is M1D1 is equal to M2D2. Right, guys? Getting it? M1D1 is equal to M2D2. So 7A is filling the tank in 5 hours. In what time A is filling the tank? Right? Getting it everyone? Right? Yes? Yes or no? See, when 7 times A is working, they are taking 5 hours. So when only A is working, they will, it will take 7 times of that. So 5 into 7 is the answer. Guys, yes or no? What was the confusion in this question? Huh? 10? Yes, everyone fine now? See, if you don't want to do the M1D1, then also like 7 times A is working, then it is taking 5 hours. When only A is working, it will be taking 7 times of the time. Yes or no? See, just think on it. When twice of A is working, then suppose that it is taking 4 hours to fill the tank. So when only A is working, it will take 8 hours, 4 into 2. Right? So here 7A is working, it will take 5 hours. So when only A is working, it will take 5 into 7 hours. Right? Yes, everybody? The answer is 35. 35 what? It is hours or minute? 35 hours. The answer is 35 hours. Final answer is 35 hours. Right? Okay. Yes, everybody clear now? Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Vishali, what happened?
So I came to 7 a.m.
Ha.
That I couldn't.
Oh.
I needed ratios.
That is okay.
1:2:4, but I divided 7 by capacity of tank as 1, then I got just 7.
All right. Yes, guys, any other doubt? Friends, any other doubt? Those who are sitting online also? Guys, fine now. Shall we move to the next question? Any other doubt? Yadav ji, done? चलिए ठीक है. Okay. All right. अच्छा मुझे ये बताइए कि for this question, what should be your approach? Everyone, रुक जाइए. What should be your approach for this question in the examination? What should be your approach for this type of question in the examination? Yep. Everyone. How? What should be the approach? मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि आप इसको सॉल्व कर दीजिए या मत करिए या मुझे आंसर दे दीजिए. नो, आप ये बताइए इसको कैसे किया जाए. एग्जाम में क्या करेंगे आप? यस एवरीवन. क्या करें? यस एवरीवन. दोज हु आर सिटिंग ऑनलाइन आल्सो. देखिए एवरीवन, मैं आपको बताता हूँ यहाँ पे इफ वी हैव ऑप्शंस देन इन द एग्जामिनेशन विल गो थ्रू द ऑप्शंस, राइट? If we have the options, then in the examination we'll go through the options. For example, let's say the options are like this. Suppose that 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes, right? Or let's say 30 minutes. For example, it is like this, right? Let's say these are the options. Guys, clear? So now in options को when you are picking these options, what you are actually checking in these options? ये बताइए मुझे. Now suppose that I am given these 4 options and I am saying just go through the options. Now suppose that you are picking the option, first option. Then what are you verifying in this option? ये बताइए जरा. How can you say this option is correct? What exactly you will verify in this option?
The highest time is 60 minutes, so one is half. So if they are taking one half, the other half is like still they are having 30 minutes. So that thing shouldn't cross.
No, that is okay. What exactly you will be checking in this question? I mean, let's say the first option is 40. Suppose that, right? I am saying whether 40 is correct or not, please try to verify this, right? Suppose that this is a very specific question I am giving to you. If 40 is the correct answer or not, right? Then how you are going to verify whether 40 is correct or not? What is the data that you are going to use in this question?
It should be between 60 and 40.
Try to understand the question, guys. देखिए एक बात समझिए, जो एक्चुअली बोलने वाली बात है वो ये है कि here क्या लिखा हुआ है? Suppose that this is the total time, right? In first half, what is happening? In first half, what is happening?
Only B is.
Only B is working. लिखा हुआ है ना, देखिए देखिए क्या लिखा हुआ है. If B is used for the half the time and A and B used for the other half. So in first half only B is working and for second half A and B both are working. Which means what? Which means what?
B is working.
Yes, B is working for the entire duration and A is working for half the time. Everybody just read the question clearly, yaar. Correct. A is being used for the first half and for the second half also. Sorry, B is used for the first half and for the second half also. It means B is used for the entire duration. But A is used for the second half only. Correct, guys? Now, everybody, let's say I'm checking this 40. Just think on it. Let's say the entire duration I have taken as 40. So, which means B is working for 40 minutes and A is working for 20 minutes. Everybody, yes or no? Guys, clear? And what is the total duration? I mean, what is the total capacity? This is 60 and this is 40. The LCM is what? 120. Right? So, guys, B is taking what? 40 minutes. So, bhai, in 40 minutes, B will be filling it alone. So, 40 minutes is not the correct answer. So, it means the correct option must be less than 40 minutes. So, take this option. Right? Take this option. So, let's say this is 30. Everyone. Let's say this is 30. Right? So, A is working for 15 minutes. 15 minutes A is working and B is working for 30 minutes. Guys, yes or no? So, if B is filling the entire tank in 40 minutes, so in 30 minutes it will be 3/4. And this is filling total in 60 minutes, so in 15 minutes it will be filling 1/4. Right? The entire tank is full. Yes or no? हो गया ना? Guys, yes or no? ठीक है, बताता हूँ. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि सबसे पहले ये समझना होगा कि टोटल टाइम का 1/4 टोटल टाइम का हाफ सिर्फ ए काम कर रहा है एंड पूरे टाइम तक बी चल रहा है. ये आपको समझ में आना चाहिए क्वेश्चन के डेटा से. ठीक, जैसे ही ये बात समझ में आई तो आपको देखते समझ में आ गया कि यार अगर ए पूरे टाइम चल रहा है तो ए 40 मिनट में तो अकेले वैसे भी भर ही देता है. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा दैट वुड बी लेस देन 40 मिनट्स. So just take the first option, I mean just take the option which is less than 40 minutes. So I have taken 30. So let's check 30. So in 30 minutes, what portion of the tank will be filled by B alone? So B will be filling 3/4 of the tank because total time it is taking 40 minutes. So in 30 minutes it will be filling 3/4. And A is taking 60 minutes total. So in 15 minutes it will be filling 1/4. So 1/4 plus 3/4 the tank is full. Right? Is it clear now, guys? Any doubt? Okay. Everyone, any doubt? Friends? Any doubt? So this is the option based approach, right? So in the examination, if you have the options, you can go through the options. Obviously you will have the options in the examination, right? So just by looking at the question, you may check the options. Now suppose that we don't have the option, right? And we need to solve this question. Yes, everyone, if we don't have the options, right, then how to solve this question, please? Obviously, if we don't have the option, then we will go through the equation. right? We will go through the equation. We have to make an equation. We have to form an equation, right? So here, अगर मेरे पास options नहीं है, if I don't have the options, right? All of you, if I don't have the options, then A and B, A is what? 60 and B in 40. यही है ना? So minutes. So LCM is 120. This is 2. This is 3. Guys, is it fine? Now, let the time required is x minutes. Correct guys? Fine?
सर एक मानना पड़ेगा
अगर इक्वेशन बनानी है तो फिर x लेना पड़ेगा, राइट? आप x को y भी ले सकते हैं, राइट? So guys, from the data of the question, if total duration is x, right, then B is working for x time, x minutes, and A is working for x by 2 minutes. Guys, yes or no? Correct? Huh? So, in x by 2 minutes, A will be doing what? 2 into x by 2. I mean, in 1 minute it is filling 2 units. So, in x by 2 minutes it is 2 into 1 by 2, x by 2 plus. B is working for the entire x time. Now, so 3x. Now the total capacity is 120. So ये cancel हुआ. So x plus 3x is 4x. 4x is equal to 120. Then x is equal to what? 30 minutes. Everyone fine now? Guys, clear? Guys, clear? Anyone? Everybody fine now? Right? So just look at the question. I mean, look at the final question statement and from this one 2 into x by 2, right? See here from this data you can say B is working for the entire time and A is used for half the time, for the second half only, right? So if the total time we have assumed x, then for x by 2 times only A is working, and for x time A and B both are working. I mean, sorry, for x minutes only B is working, and for x by 2 minutes A is working, right? So this is the data and these are the capacity. So obviously this is the multiplication. Huh? Clear guys? Okay. So this was actually a good question, but if you have the options, just use the options. This will be a simple one, right? Clear everybody? Fine. Any doubt guys? Any confusion? Any query? No? Shall we move? Okay, and it's clear? Okay. चलिए ज़रा, ओहो, ये क्या है? देखिए ज़रा अच्छा. Let's read the question. Question is saying a bathtub can be filled by a cold water pipe in 10 minutes and by a hot water pipe in 15 minutes. ठीक है, there are two taps A and B. A can fill the tank in 10 minutes and B can fill the tank in 15 minutes. A person leaves the bathroom after turning both the pipes on and came back at the moment when the tub should be full. ठीक है? Finding however the waste pipe is also open, so he now closes it, and as soon as he closes it, in next 4 minutes the tub is full. The question is, in what time would the waste pipe empty it alone? Read the question guys. Just read the question and try to understand the story of the question. Right? Everyone? Try to understand the story of the question. ओके, क्वेश्चन की स्टोरी ये है कि एक बाथटब है, उसमें एक हॉट वाटर पाइप है और एक कोल्ड वाटर पाइप है. हॉट वाटर पाइप जो है उसको फिल करता है 10 और मतलब जो 10 और 15 मिनट में जो भी है। तो एक पर्सन ने दोनों टैप ऑन कर दिए और उसको पता है कि इतनी देर में पानी भर जाता है, तो ही जस्ट वेंट आउटसाइड एंड ही केम बैक व्हेन द एक्चुअली टैप शुड बी फुल, राइट, आई मीन टैंक शुड बी फुल। तो वो आया कुछ देर के बाद जब टैंक फुल हो जाना चाहिए था, लेकिन उसने देखा कि ओ गलती से लीक पाइप भी खुला रह गया है, तो पानी बाहर भी जा रहा था। तो यार उसने देखा कि ओ अब तक टब भर जाना चाहिए था बट भरा नहीं। तो उसने आते आते क्या किया, उसने लीक पाइप को सबसे पहले बंद कर दिया। जैसे ही उसने लीक पाइप बंद किया अगले 4 मिनट में टब भर गया। तो अब कहा यह जा रहा है कि ये बताइए कि जो लीक पाइप था वो टब को, भरे हुए टब को कितनी देर में खाली कर देगा। क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर गाइस, एवरीवन, द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर, जस्ट लुक एट दिस, राइट। नाउ यू प्लीज टेल मी कि कैसे किया जाए। यस ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज टेल मी कि कैसे किया जाए, बताइए जरा। हाँ जी,
सर ये पता लगा नहीं कि मतलब हॉट वाटर वाला पाइप और कोल्ड वाटर वाला पाइप कितनी देर में टैंक उसको वाटर को भर देंगे।
ठीक है, ये बात बिल्कुल सही है, ये आप ऐसे ही बता सकते हैं। एवरीवन मुझे ये बताइए ज़रा, अगर लीक को थोड़ी देर के लिए इग्नोर कर दें तो ये दोनों टैप मिलके कितनी देर में भर देंगे? 6 मिनट। यस यस, बिकॉज 10 and 15 the LCM is 30, so this is 3 and this is 2, right? So 30 divided by 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 30 by 5 is 6 minutes. ठीक है, देखिए 6 मिनट में उसका अजम्पशन था कि वो भर जाएगा, राइट? तो ही मस्ट हैव केम बैक आफ्टर 6 मिनट्स and in 6 minutes he found that the leak pipe was also open, so the tank was not full. As soon as he closes the leak pipe, in next 4 minutes the tank was full. So guys, in 6 minutes the tank anyways will get filled, so in 4 minutes what part of the tank will be full? Think on it. 4 by 6, what is that? 2 by 3. Yes, it means in 4 minutes 2/3 pipe, 2/3 tap, tank will be filled, which means in first 6 minutes 1/3 of the tank was filled when all the 3 taps were working simultaneously. Clear everybody? Okay, so just think on it, A and B. A means hot, नहीं, A means क्या है? कोल्ड है, कोल्ड, पहले कोल्ड लिखा हुआ है ना, एंड B मीन्स हॉट, ठीक है, ये मैंने अज्यूम कर लिया थोड़ी देर के लिए। सो A इज फिलिंग 10 मिनट्स, B इज फिलिंग 15 मिनट्स, राइट? व्हाट इज द LCM? 30, so this is 3 and 2. So everyone, in first 6 minutes 3 plus 2 plus leak, these 3 taps are operating in first 6 minutes, and what part of the tank was filled? 1/3. 1/3 of this will be what? 10. Put 10 here. So guys, this is what? 5 into 6, 30. 30 plus 6L is equal to 10, then 6L is equal to minus 20. See, anyways leak will be negative, right? So guys, L will be what? Minus 20 by 6, correct everybody? So capacity of the leak is 20 by 6. Now the question is saying, in what time the leak will be emptying the full cistern, right? So this is 30 divided by 20 by 6, correct? So 30 divided by 20 into 6, so this is 180, 180 by 20 is 9. 9 minutes is the answer. Right everyone? Oh? Is it clear everybody? Huh? Okay, the answer is 9 minutes. Alright. Friends, any doubt, any confusion, any query, anyone in the class? Those who are sitting online also, Yes, everybody, clear? Sharing. See, sharing. Like for 6 minutes, for first 6 minutes I'm talking about, this 3, this 2 and 1 leak. These 3 taps are working, right? So 3, 2 and leak for first 6 minutes. And what are they filling? They are filling 1/3 of this. So 1/3 of this will be what? 10, right? Because 2/3 will be filled in next 4 minutes, right? So guys, you know what? Not everything is required to write. Here we have thought so many things, right? Then we have just write only the vital part of this question, right? 2/3 wala we didn't write, but you have to write also in your notes copy, because after some time when you revise this, you should be knowing like from where this 10 is coming. This 10 is 1/3 of this. So where the 2/3 is, 2/3 will be filled in next 4 hours, right? Okay, so that you should write in your notes copy from where this 10 is coming. This 10 is 1/3 of this, and 2/3 will be filled in next 4 hours, sorry 4 minutes, right? Okay. All right, guys, any doubt? हाँ हाँ देखिए अगले 4 मिनट में क्या हुआ है, अगले 4 मिनट में भर गया है जब ए और बी सिर्फ काम कर रहे थे। तो अगर ए और बी काम कर रहे थे तो ए प्लस बी कितना हुआ 5 इंटू 4 20, तो नेक्स्ट 4 मिनट्स में 20 भरा है, तो इसका मतलब जो 10 यूनिट्स है वो शुरू के 6 मिनट में भरा है, राइट? यस एवरीबॉडी, क्लियर? Right? Okay. All right. So it was a good question, you know. Completely exam material question, guys. Right? Yes, all of you. Now the next question. 2 pipes, A and B, can fill a tank in 15 hours and 20 hours respectively, while a third pipe C can empty the full tank in 25 hours. All the 3 pipes are opened in the beginning. After 10 hours, C was closed. In how much time the tank is full? देखिए मुझे लगता है ये क्वेश्चन आप कर सकते हैं, राइट? ये सिंपल क्वेश्चन है गाइस। देखिए A is filling the tank in 15 hours, B is filling the tank in 20 hours, and C is emptying the full tank. C is leak, right? Correct? What is the LCM? 300, correct. So this is what? This is minus 12, this is 15, and this is 20. Correct, everyone? So just look at this for first 10 hours. 20 plus 15 minus 12. This, right? So this is 10. 35 minus 12 is 23. So 10 into 23, this is 230 units. Correct, everyone? So in first 10 hours, 230 units will be filled. What is left? What is left? 70. And then 70 will be filled by A plus B, because now C is closed. So when A and B are working together, they are filling 35 per hour. So 2 more hours are required. So question is, in how much time the tank will be full, right? So 2, right? And if the question is asking the total time, so the answer is 12, right? And how much more time? So 2 hours. Everybody, it is clear? Simple question, right? Actually simple question, right? What is the problem? हाँ, मुझे ये बताइए, for first 10 hours, A, B, C all are working, and after that C was closed, right? So A, B, C, when they are working together, they are actually filling 23 units per hour. Just add them, right? So for 10 hours, they will be filling 230 units. Now what is left? 70 units. And then only A and B are working because C is closed. See, this plus this will be 35, right? And 300 minus 230 is 70, right? So 70 by 35, which is 2 hours. Correct? Huh? Right? Everyone fine now? Sure. Okay. Yes, all of you. Now, let's move to the next question. All right. Let's move to the next question. ये देखिए जरा, इसको आप कर पाएंगे? देखिए जरा. Question is saying, two pipes A and B can fill a cistern in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively, while a third pipe can empty the full tank in 6 minutes. A and B are kept open for first 5 minutes and then C is also opened. ठीक है? In what time is the cistern emptied? Yes guys. A and B are kept open for first 5 minutes and then C is also opened. So question is asking in what time the cistern is emptied now. Correct? करिए जरा. Yes, all of you. हाँ जी. क्या होना चाहिए? कैसे अप्रोच करेंगे पहले मुझे ये बताइए, ऑल ऑफ यू. ए और बी का एलसीएम निकाल लेंगे. अच्छा, फिर क्या करेंगे?
वो 5 मिनट्स तो लाया दोनों.
हाँ,
5 मिनट्स और 1 मिनट इंटू 5 करेंगे तो फिर जितना टाइम बाकी वाले 60 माइनस 45 इज 50. अब 15 का जो है उसमें सी
गलत हो जाएगा. यस एवरीवन, एनी अदर अप्रोच? अक्रम, क्या करेंगे पहले बताइए? क्या करेंगे पहले बताइए? नहीं, एलसीएम तो वो तो बात की बात है, वो सब छोड़ दीजिए. देखिए गाइस, एवरीवन, बेबी क्या करेंगे? व्हाट विल बी द अप्रोच? हाँ, so what are you writing, if you don't know? See, all of you, let me tell you. No, question is not tough. See, all of you, सबसे पहले ये देखिए, क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा हुआ है? When the tank will be emptied. इस बात का मतलब समझ रहे हैं? पहले मुझे इस बात का मतलब बताइए. हाँ, हाँ, हाँ. हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन मत बताइए मुझे. That is okay, but what is the meaning of it? What you can conclude from this data? My question is that.
is only running for only 5 minutes.
No. अरे यार, ये लिखा है C is also opened, ये लिखा हुआ है ना. तो तुम ये कैसे कह सकते हो कि सिर्फ C काम कर रहा है, A भी नहीं कर रहे हैं?
सर, C की efficiency इन दोनों से तेज है.
Yes, guys, very good. इसका मतलब ये है कि C जो है ना, C is much faster than the A and B. Why? Because A and B are still working and C is opened, the tank is getting emptied, which means the efficiency of C is much higher than A and B. Yes or no? सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन को पढ़ के उसको सीखिए कि उसमें डेटा क्या कह रहा है. आप बस ऐसे ही रैंडमली चालू हो जाओगे ना तो कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे, मैं बता रहा हूँ. राइट? गेटिंग इट एवरीवन? ओके. अच्छा, एनीवेज, इज इट क्लियर? अब मुझे ये बताइए, ये बात आपको समझ में आई. अब बताइए अगला कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन क्या होगा? नेक्स्ट कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन क्या होगा? एलसीएम छोड़ दो यार, एलसीएम तो प्रोसेस का पार्ट है. जैसे ये आपने बात बताई ना, ये प्रोसेस का पार्ट नहीं थी. ये क्वेश्चन को, डेटा को देख के आपने एक्सट्रैक्ट किया वहां से, है ना? ऐसे ही नेक्स्ट आप क्या एक्सट्रैक्ट कर पा रहे हैं ये बताइए. हाँ बताइए. यस. अरे वो सब फिर मैथ्स में नहीं जाना है मेरे को यार.
ए एंड मतलब ए और बी जो है वो फिल कर रहा है और सी जो है उसको एम्प्टी कर देता है. तो
अच्छा, ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया। आपको कहीं लगता होगा कि सर के अंदर कितना पेशेंस है ना। सी ऑल ऑफ यू, देखिए यहाँ पे अरे बस करो यार, जो जोक्स आप लोगों को देर से समझ में आते हैं यार। देखिए एवरीवन, बात समझिए, यहाँ पे आपको ये देखना है कि ए और बी ने मिलके कितना भरा और ए बी सी मिलके 1 घंटे में कितना खाली कर रहे हैं। तो जितना भरा है और उस रेट से वो खाली हो रहा है। लेट से भरा है, भरा तो दिख रहा है साफ साफ कितना भरा है, 5 मिनट में जितना भी भर जाएगा, और जो खाली करने का रेट है वो कितना है। बस आपको ये देखना है कि जितना पाइप मतलब जितना टैंक भरा हुआ है उतना ही खाली होगा ना। तो सबसे पहले ये चेक करेंगे 5 मिनट में भरा कितना, और तीनों जब चल रहे हैं तो कौन से रेट से खाली हो रहे हैं। बस 2 डेटा आपको फाइंड करने हैं। ये बात समझ पा रहे हैं कि नहीं? 5 मिनट में कितना भर गया, और जब तीनों चल रहे हैं, तीनों टैब जब काम कर रहे हैं तो किस रेट से वो खाली हो रहा है। बस ये 2 डेटा चाहिए आपको इस क्वेश्चन के लिए। थिंक ऑन इट गाइस, राइट। तो अब देखिए जरा, अब देखिए प्लीज, 2 pipes, this is 12 minutes, this is 15 minutes, what about C? 6 minutes. What is the LCM? Guys, what is the LCM? 60, sorry. 60. So 5, 4 and then what? -10 guys, right? अब देखिए, अब leak alone is bigger than the sum of these two, and it has to be, else the cistern will not be emptied. Sorry, else the pipe, I mean the tank will not be emptied. Yes or no? So leak alone will be bigger than the capacity of the sum of these two. Correct guys? Okay. Now when all of them are working together, they are emptying the water at the rate of 1 unit per minute. Correct guys? When A and B and C are working together, they are emptying the water at the rate of 1 unit per minute. And A and B have filled in first 5 minutes what? 5 plus 4, 9, 9 into 5, 45. So they have filled 45, and at the rate of 1 unit it is getting emptied. So in how many minutes it will getting emptied? 45 minutes is the answer, right? So guys, in first 5 minutes, 5 plus 4, 45 units will be filled in the tank, and this will be getting emptied at the rate of 1 unit per hour, or sorry 1 unit per minute. So it will take 45 minutes to empty the tank now. Is it clear everybody? Right? तो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा, लेकिन सबसे पहले समझिए कि ये क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या क्या चाहिए। गेटिंग इट एवरीवन? और यही आपको वहां भी करना होगा। आपके पास रिपोर्ट्स आएंगी बड़ी बड़ी, राइट? डेटा आएगा, फिर आपको बस यही देखना है कि भाई इस डेटा से क्या क्या वाइटल पॉइंट्स है जो आपको उठाने हैं, और उससे क्या सोल्यूशन निकालना है आपको। गॉट इट? सो यू आर गोइंग टू दैट। आई मीन आपको क्लरिकल जॉब नहीं करनी है कि आप बैठ के कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे, ये सब नहीं करना है आपको। डेटा आएगा आपके सामने पूरा, राइट? ओके, एवरीबॉडी क्लियर नाउ? ठीक, जैसे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आप में से, आपके बीच में से किसी ने आंसर किया कि विद दिस लैंग्वेज आई कैन रिड्यूस दैट द लीक इज मच फास्टर देन द फिलिंग टैप्स, राइट? So this is actually critical thinking guys, right? So while reading the data, you should be able to comprehend it, ki what exactly this data wants to say. Correct everyone? Right? Okay? All right. All right everyone, those who are sitting online, Kamal is saying it is 45, Hassan is saying it is 10.5, Hassan 10.5 is not correct, my dear. Yes, everybody fine now? Sharing it's fine now? Vim it's okay? Ayana bhi theek hai? Yadav ji theek hai? Okay, Vaishali is fine now? All right. चलिए जरा आगे बढ़ते हैं, एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं, ठीक है? एक और ऐसा क्वेश्चन करते हैं, रुक जाइए, इसको करिए जरा। पहले मुझे बताइए इसमें क्या करेंगे। सबसे पहले ये बताइए इसमें क्या करेंगे। पहले मुझे बताइए इसमें क्या करेंगे, क्या फाइंड करेंगे सबसे पहले? पहले पढ़िए सवाल।
टोटल यूनिट टोटल यूनिट फिलिंग
क्या फाइंड करेंगे पहले ये बताइए, सबसे पहले क्या निकालेंगे?
सिस्टम भरने में क्या टाइम लगता है?
सिस्टम भरने में कितना टाइम लगता है उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है। क्यों भरना है सिस्टम?
तो जब खाली होगा उसी टाइम
पहले लास्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या निकाला था आपने? लास्ट क्वेश्चन में 2 डेटा आपने निकाले थे, क्या क्या थे वो? ठीक है, और देखिए लास्ट क्वेश्चन में यू फाउंड 2 डेटास। द फर्स्ट इज इन फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स कितना भर गया, और व्हेन ए बी सी ऑल आर वर्किंग साइमल्टेनियसली तो कौन से रेट से वो खाली हो रहा है, बस। यू हैव फाउंड 2 थिंग्स, राइट? हियर ऑल्सो मुझे ये बताइए, एट 5 PM, जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन, एट 5 PM द लीक वॉज ओपनड, yes or no? At 5 PM the leak was opened, just read it. At 5 PM the leak was opened. So till 5 PM how much cistern was filled? This is the first information that you need for this question. And the second information, when all of them are working together, at what rate the water is going out. That's it. Guys, is it clear? And obvious information is the leak is heavier than both the filling pipes. Correct everybody? Right? So till 5 PM how much water is being filled? This you need to find first. And when all of them are working together, at what rate the water is getting out of the tank. That's it. Clear? So this 2 information, guys, in data sufficiency type of questions, this information will play a vital role, because they will give you the statements, right? So you should be knowing कि like we need these type of informations to solve this question. What will be the answer? That is another thing. Calculation is another thing, but what you need to solve this question, right? Clear, everyone? Okay. Now, guys, a cistern has 3 pipes A, B, C. A can fill the water in 3 hours, B can fill in 4 hours, and C is emptying in 1 hour, right? C is the leak. So guys, this is what? LCM is 12, this is 4, this is 3, this is minus 12. Okay, so leak is much faster than A and B together, right? Now guys, आपको ये देखना है till 5 PM, right? Till 5 PM, it's not AM. Till 5 PM, what part of the tank is being filled? तो मुझे ये बताइए, till 5 PM A is working for how many hours?
2 hours.
Yes. And B is working for how many hours? 1 hour. Okay. So in 2 hours, A will be filling what? 2 into 4. In 1 hour, B will be filling what? 3 into 1. So guys, this is 8 plus 3, 11 units. See everyone, till 5 PM, 11 units will be filled. And थोड़ी देर और चल जाता तो पूरा का पूरा भर जाता। भाई 12 यूनिट का टोटल है, थोड़ी देर और चल जाता तो भर जाता। लेकिन आपने क्या किया? आपने लीक खोल दिया, राइट? अच्छा, अब लीक जैसे ही खुलेगा तो क्या होगा? हाँ, लीक जैसे ही खुलेगा तो एट वॉट रेट द वाटर इज गोइंग आउट? -5. Water is going out at the rate of 5 units per hour, right? And how much water is there in the tank? 11. So this will be getting out at the rate of this. So 11 by 5, guys, 11 by 5 is 2 1/5 hour. ठीक है? So 2 hours, 1/5 hour का मतलब क्या होता है? कितना मिनट? 12 minutes, guys. 1 hour is 60 minutes, is not 100 minutes. 60 into 1/5. So 2 hours and 12 minutes more, right? After 5 PM, right? So this is 7:12 PM. This is the answer, guys. Right?
इसको एक बार समझा दीजिए।
व्हाट?
इसको एक बार समझा
दोबारा से
दीजिए।
2 hours for A because
see 2 hours for A because A was opened at 3 o'clock, B was opened at 4 o'clock, so till 5 p.m. A was opened for 2 hours, B was opened for 1 hour, right? देखिए पांडे जी, आप ये निकालो कि 5 बजे तक कितना पानी भर गया है, ठीक? तो 5 बजे तक A चला 2 घंटे, B चला 1 घंटे, ठीक है? तो 5 बजे तक 11 यूनिट भर गया है। अब 11 यूनिट कौन से रेट से बाहर निकल रहा है? जैसे ही 5 बजा, जैसे आपने C चलाया 5 बजते ही, तो ये 5 यूनिट पर आर के हिसाब से बाहर निकलना शुरू हो जाएगा, राइट? 11 यूनिट्स को बाहर निकलने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? 2 1/4।
जैसे वो 11 यूनिट निकल रहा हो तो दोनों टाइम शुरू भी तो है, चालू भी तो है।
उसके बावजूद भी तो 5 यूनिट बाहर जा रहा है, यही तो है 4 + 3 - 12।
तो सर वो 11 यूनिट कांस्टेंट कैसे मान लेंगे?
11 यूनिट कांस्टेंट नहीं है, 11 यूनिट पानी भरा हुआ है। जैसे ही जब 11 भरा हुआ है उसके बाद 5 यूनिट के रेट से बाहर जाना शुरू हो गया।
तो उसमें भरता भी तो रहेगा।
भरने के बावजूद भी तो 5 यूनिट के रेट से बाहर जा रहा है, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है। आप समझ रहे हैं? राइट? थोड़ा सा सोचिए, जैसे लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया था वैसे ही है एकदम, राइट? Yeah, sharing. Any other thing you want to ask? Huh?
last one was 7
What? 7:2? 7:12. See, this is 2 hours and 12 minutes after 5 p.m. So 2 hours after 5 p.m. is 7 and 12 more minutes, so 7:12 p.m. Right? Yes, everybody. Any other doubt? Sure? All of you? Okay. Those who are sitting online, guys, any other confusion, any doubt? Yes, friends, any doubt?
So 11 is the total number of
What?
total leak is
11 has to get emptied. देखिए जितना पानी भरा है उतना ही तो खाली होगा ना. Think on it, right? 11 is the total water. 11 units water is filled till 5 p.m. Yes. जो जितना भरा है उतना ही खाली होगा, right? Yes, everybody fine now? हाँ? Okay, चलिए. After that, guys. After that, everyone just read this question. These days, UPSC is focusing upon these type of questions, right? Okay. And this type of question, you know what? This is actually the type of alternate work that we have solved yesterday, right? This is actually the type of alternate work that we have solved yesterday. Guys, here the question is saying a monkey can climb up to 5 meters on one day and slips down by 3 meters on the next day, right? So friends, you know what? The work is happening +5 - 3 +5 - 3 in this manner, correct? And total is 21 meter. He has to climb. So question is
7
यार देखो अभी बताता हूँ. Question is in how many days he will reach on the top of the pole, correct? Guys, for these type of questions what you have to think and take care about is total work minus positive work. Again, total work minus positive work. What is the positive work here? 5. What is the total work? 21. So guys, 21 minus 5, that is 16 meters. Everybody, देखिए बात को समझिए. If he is on 16th meter, he will take a jump of 5 and he will reach on the top. Getting it up, everybody? Right? Then he won't slip. If he's on the top, then that's okay, done. बात समझ रहे हैं आप? Suppose that he is stuck in a well, suppose that inside a well he is trying to come out. So when he is on 16th meter, he will take a jump of 5 meters and he will be coming out of the well. That's it. Getting it, everyone? So here, the number of days required to reach till 16th meter or to climb 16th meter plus one more day will be the answer. I repeat, the number of days required to climb 16 meters plus one day will be the final answer. Yes or no? Number of days to climb 16 meter plus 1 will be the final answer. Correct, everybody? Till here it is clear? Right? Now guys, इधर देखिए जरा. This is one day, this is second day, this is third day, this is fourth day. Correct? So in every 2 days the monkey is climbing up by 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters. Huh? Right? So for 16 meters, see, in 4 days he is climbing 4 meters. In next 2 days, I mean, in 6 days he'll climb 6 meters. In 8 days he'll climb 8 meters. So to climb 16 meters, how many days are required? 16 days. To climb 16 meters, he will take 16 days. And plus one more day. And for 21 meters, 16 plus 1, this is 17 days. Guys, is it clear or not? What? Okay, see, effectively he is climbing up 1 meter in 1 day, actually. 2 meters in 2 days, 4 meters in 4 days, 6 meters in 6 days, so effectively 1 meter in 1 day, right? So for 16 meter, he will take 16 days. Every day, not every day. Just read the question. In first day, he climbs up by 5 meters, first day, and second day, he slips down by 3 meters. So they are actually 2 days. Right? So in 2 days, effectively, he is climbing up by 2 meters. In again next 2 days, he is climbing up by 2 meters. In again next 2 days, climbing up by 2 meters. Right? So effectively, he is climbing 1 meter in 1 day. Yes, everybody, any doubt? No, it's not 2 meter every day. It's 2 meter in 2 days. Just read the question clearly. See, everyone, guys, suppose that in only one jump, if in only one jump he is climbing up by 5 meters and slips down by 3 meters, then it will be 2 meters in 1 day. I repeat, if in this question, if in only one jump he is climbing 5 meters and slipping down by 3 meters, then it will be effectively climbing up 2 meters in 1 day. But the question is saying he is climbing up by 5 meters in 1 day and slipping down by 3 meters on the next day. Right? Guys, okay? Okay. After that, is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Huh? Is it clear? Right. देखिए, just take out your books, everybody. Yes. हाँ हाँ easy है ना, easy है ना. Yes, everyone. Everyone, just come to page number 286, guys. Page number 286. Page number 286, question number 3. Guys, don't look for the solution, right? Just look at the question only, right? Page number 286, question number 3. This is CSAT 2020 question. The question is saying a frog tries to come out of a dried well of 4.5 meters deep with slippery walls. Every time the frog jumps 30 centimeters, slips down by 15 centimeters. What is the number of jumps required for the frog to come out of the well? Everyone, just tell me one thing. What is the total work here? Guys, I'm talking about CSAT 2020 question, right? Let me change the color of the pen. I'm solving this question here itself. This is CSAT 2020, right? So total work is 4.5 meter. Try to convert this in centimeter because the data is given in centimeter, right? Yeah, so this into 100, so this is 450 centimeters. So this is the total work, guys. What is the positive work?
15,
Positive work is 30.
30,
So this is 420, everybody, right? So guys, try to think when he will be on 420 centimeter. After that, one more jump will be required for him to reach on the top. Correct? Acha. Guys, in this question, in the same jump, he is climbing up by 30 and slipping down by 15. So in one jump, effectively, he is climbing up by 15 meters. So 15 centimeters, sorry. So 420 divided by 15. So in 28 jumps, he will be climbing by 420 meters. And plus one more jump will be required to climb. Yes. So the answer is 29 jumps. ठीक है, U लगा लीजिएगा बीच में उसमें. Yes. Guys, getting it? Huh? So the answer is 29 jumps. Guys, clear? Right? Any doubt? Any confusion to anyone? No? All right. ठीक है. After that, friends, एक और question है. The question was asked in CSAT 2017. Page number 286, question number 2. Right. आप इस question को सिर्फ read करिए और मुझसे कुछ बात करिए. Right. Just read this question. I want to discuss something. Yes, question is saying there are 3 pillars X, Y, Z of different heights. 3 spiders ABC starts to climb on these 3 pillars simultaneously. In one chance, A climbs on X by 6 meters but slips down by 1. B climbs on Y by 7 but slips down by 3. C climbs on Z by 6.5 but slips down by 2. If each of them require 40 chances to reach on the top, what is the height of the shortest pillar? See, everyone, question is saying if each of them require 40 chances to reach on the top. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? मैं इस क्वेश्चन को यहां पे करूंगा, ठीक है? This is CSAT 2017, right? CSAT 2017, guys. A is climbing on X, B is climbing on Y, C is climbing on Z. What about A is given? बोलिए जरा, information क्या है?
6 centimeter.
6 and 1, 6 and minus 1. ठीक है. What about B? 7 minus 3. What about C?
6.5.
Minus 2. Alright. See everyone, question is saying each of them requires 40 chances to reach on the top. What is the meaning of it? What is the meaning of it?
39 plus 1.
Yes. देखिए 39 चांसेस तक अप डाउन चलता रहेगा, लेकिन लास्ट चांस में सिर्फ अप होगा. समझ रहे हैं बात को? सो टिल 39 चांसेस दे विल बी इफेक्टिवली क्लाइंबिंग व्हाट? दिस 39 into 5. He will be, B will be effectively climbing 39 into 4, and this will be effectively climbing 39 into 4.5. Getting it, everyone? Right? So till 39 chances ये होगा. What will be there in the last chance? In the last chance, 6 will be added to this, 7 will be added to this, and 6.5 will be added to this. Yes or no, everybody? These are the heights of the pillars. Correct? Now the question is asking about the shortest height. मुझे बताइए जरा इन 3 नंबर्स में what should be the shortest according to you? Yes, जिसमें 39 into 4 हो रहा है वो shortest, क्योंकि ये shortest number है. 39 into 4 कितना होना चाहिए? 40 into 4 कितना होता है? 160. 39 into 4 is 156. 156 plus 7, 163. है कोई ऑप्शन 163? यही आंसर है बस. राइट. एवरीबॉडी फाइन? आपको बात समझ में आ रही है या नहीं आ रही? सोल्यूशन में भी वही लिखा हुआ है. आप सोल्यूशन अब देख लीजिए, वही लिखा हुआ है उसमें. राइट? सोल्यूशन इज सेइंग द सेम थिंग, गाइस. यस एवरीवन? ओके. यस डन राइट. मैं हटाऊं से, मुझे पता नहीं इसके बाद इसमें कितने क्वेश्चन है. Shall I remove this, guys? So, are you looking about the pattern, which type of questions they are asking in CSAT? Right? So, they are preferring these alternate type of questions now. In time and work also they are asking alternate work, and in pipes and cistern also they are asking alternate work. Right? Okay. Alright, so everyone, now let's talk about the next question. Guys, this is again a question of alternate work. एक बार देखिए जरा इसको, रीड करिए. Just read this question. Read it please. Question is saying A, B, C are the pipes attached to a cistern. A and B can fill it in 20 and 30 minutes respectively, while C can empty it in 15 minutes. Right? A, B, C kept open successively for 1 minute each. The work is being done in this pattern, guys. A, B, C, and so on. Correct? Right? Okay. मुझे एक बात बताइए. A, B, C कितना है? 20, 30, 15. C is the leak, everyone? Huh? What is the LCM? 3, 2, minus 4. Right, everyone? ठीक है? Friends, the work is being done in this pattern. 3, 2, and minus 4. Again 3, 2, minus 4. Right? So, here what? 1. Again 1. Right? Because 3 plus 2 minus 4 is 1. Right? So, in every 3 minutes, everybody, just look at this. Just look at this. In every 3 minutes, 1 unit is being filled in the tank. Correct? And now guys, just tell me one thing. What is the positive work here? All of you just look at this please. Yes. The positive work is 3 plus 2 and the negative work is 4. Right? So, 60 minus 3 plus 2, 60 minus 5 will be 55. So, everyone, you just have to check in what time 55 units will be filled in the tank. Plus 1 more minute will be, no, plus 2 more minutes will be the answer, because the next minute 3 and the next minute 2. So, time required to fill 55 units plus 2 more minutes will be the final answer. Yes or no? So, time required to fill 55 units is 55 into 3 plus 2 more minutes is the final answer. So, this is 165 plus 2, 167 minutes. Guys, are you getting it? हाँ, बताओ. बताता हूँ. देखिए, पॉजिटिव वर्क कितना है? 5, right? And then 4 is negative. So total work minus positive work. Positive work is 5. So 55. So एक बात समझिए, जैसे ही 55 यूनिट फिल होगा, मैं बताता हूँ, जैसे ही 55 यूनिट फिल होगा, उसके अगले मिनट में 3 यूनिट भर देगा A, उसके अगले मिनट में, और फिर उसके अगले मिनट में 2 यूनिट और भर देगा B. 60 मिनट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. राइट? तो टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू फिल 55 यूनिट्स प्लस 2 मोर मिनट इज द फाइनल आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. राइट? Yes, everybody clear? Guys, is it clear? Huh? Any doubt? No? All right. Clear? Question देखिए आप. Right? Question देखिए और enjoy कीजिए. हाँ. यार 3 मिनट में 1 यूनिट भरा जा रहा है ना? हाँ. हाँ, ठीक है. Yes, everyone fine. Any other doubt, guys? Right? अब देखिए अप्रोच वही है ना. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? मैं टोटल वर्क माइनस पॉजिटिव वर्क कर रहा हूँ. मैं देख रहा हूँ कि टोटल इतना काम करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा और उसके बाद जितना बचा हुआ है 1 मिनट या 2 मिनट जो भी है वो ऐड कर रहा हूँ. हर बार यही कर रहा हूँ, कुछ अलग तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ. राइट? सो कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर सेम. राइट? Guys, the concepts are same. So in the same concept, you can put जैसा भी complicated data, वो निकाल के देगा आपको answer. Right? Is it clear now? Vaishali, any doubt? Sure. Okay. ठीक है, चलिए. All right, guys. Now I think. All right. Now I think the questions are over. Shall I remove this? Yes. Yes, guys. So this is the study material that we follow, right? And this is the test series. All right, everyone. So I think now that this topic is over. So guys, now we have the next class is on Monday, right? You might have got the schedule, everybody. For the entire December, you have got the schedule. Huh? All right. So okay, everyone. Thank you, guys. Let's meet on Monday at 10:30. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.